Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to tell you all about how I elevated the office space in my home with this beautiful floor lamp. It is made by SIBRILLE. It is so easy to put together. It seriously took me less than 10 minutes. And what I love about it the most is that it does have different lighting temperatures. There are 3 different color temperatures, and it can either be really bright or really dim, whatever suits your fancy. It has a nightlight mode, and one of the cool things about this lamp is that you literally turn it on and off with your foot. The switch is on the floor. I absolutely love this lamp, and I feel like it just elevated the area that I put it in. Not only that, but you can also turn all of the heads of all the lights in a 360 and 90 degree rotation, allowing for the light to go exactly where you need it. I thought this was a perfect fit because I could elevate the space how I needed it to. I wanted that light to go up rather than out and be in your face, and it's exactly what it did. It gave my room just a cozy and wonderful feeling, exactly what it needed. I highly recommend this lamp. It's beautiful, and